Hey there, I'm going to design a thistle drop-in today with some cool purple thistles that we have in bundles, 2 bundles of those. We're going to use the eucalyptus here that has the seeds on it, the seeding eucalyptus stem ×2. And we're using our beautiful natural pampas grass, 2 packages that are packed up like this. This is the large vase from our matte black collection. Love this vase. It's metal and everything looks amazing in it. We're going to start out with the purple thistle, and you don't have to even disassemble these, but you can shape them a little bit and separate them just to give them some more flair when they're in the vase so that they stand apart instead of coming in a straight bunch. So 2 of those dropped in. Immediately you get a little structure going here, so all the other stems will have space to fill in between, and the thistles actually support it. Let's put in the 2 eucalyptus stems next, here and here. And then your structure now definitely supports easily the design with the pampas grass, which these 4 stems are pre-cut into staggered heights. So we've got a tall one that we can aim for the center, and 3 others that we're staggering around the center, and that gives us a nice little loose placement of the natural pampas grass. You can really feature it that way. Might look nice too, just to add a little flair, and swoop a couple pieces of thistles down because they're super bendable, and they will do that for you. And there you have it, the thistle pampas grass drop-in design.